say this is the domains. Anybody interview questions, which domain you are working means I'm working the finance domain. My project is a finance. Okay, and banking sector and e-commerce. My domain is e-commerce. After my domain, we can implementation the our fusion instance. Okay, you got point. Anybody ask a domain mean, you can say this is a domain. Healthcare. What is your project? First say while the interview question, my domain is a finance sector. My domain is a manufacturing. My domain is a real estate. After that, they designing on project. Without domains, we cannot get the project. Yes or no? Yes or no? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
See, from the where do we get the project? These are the enriched list. We are getting the project from here only. Oil and gases, healthcare, e-commerce, banking system, all the our project related to this is the thing. Any project, you can take it any project belongs to this domains only. Until you can take e-commerce nowadays belongs to the e-commerce domains only. But you can understand the business oriented. Say if your sales order, purchase item, stock, everybody related to e-commerce only. Healthcare, pieces, manufacturing industry, manufacturing, so many things is there. So you can say our domain is a insurance domain. Our project is a you can name is a project name. So and so project name. So under the project name, we are the implementation project, and this is the implementation project or a support project. We can call it as a support project or enhancement. What is the enhancement means? Once the development project everything's going good, we need add extra features like currently your phone is a 4G, right? So nowadays 5G is came. So you are adding the features to the 5G 4G to 5G. You are shifting the technology only, not is a completely domain. So that is called enhancement project. Not completely. Everything is there, but base system okay. But we need to add features like Windows updation, like we can call as a enhancement project. Support means one support means once the project is completed, after implementation completed, we'll get the support. Means reports, maybe reports or as function side also implement any issues, bugs is coming. So we can resolve it. We can support to the client. We can reports any issues after that, modifications, adding columns, everything. We can call it as a support. And after completion, 3 months is the hype. We can call it as a hypercare support is there before production. 3 months, 3 months we can call is a hypercare support. Hypercare means once the implementation completed, after that we promise that within 3 months we are giving the free service to the client. That is called hypercare support. We are not charging any amount from the client. 3 months is a free of services to the client. That is called as a hypercare support. Once the hypercare support is completed, then we can go for support. Support means we can charge the each and every bug issues of the thing. 1 hour, 2 hours, like P1, P2 tickets wise. We can raise. They will raise the ticket. We can based on the ticket we can charge it from the client. So that is called different. Hypercare means free of services. We are guaranteed to the up to 3 months. Once the 3 months completed, you can after 3 months we can charge this the thing. We can go for the support project. So this is the difference between hypercare and support. Okay, these are the domains. These are the development system. We are developing the first. Our report goes to the where test environment. Once the test environment here, we are developing the reports. report development. Here we'll start it. Requirement RD. We can. What is the MD50?
Functional document.
Module definition.
Very good. Functional MD50. Master document. Function. Master document designed by functional people. Functional team. MD70 means technical. Designed by technical people only. Once the complete our report, we need to write the each and document. How many parameters used? What is the logic? What is the purpose of the thing? What is the column? Where to store? Location name, path, and data model. Everything you need to mention the MD70. Who will design MD70? Technical team. Who will design from MD50? Functional team. So here we can call RD, some most of company RD requirement document or FDDD functional design document. Sometimes FDDD means functional design document. Don't worry, you don't know anything, right? So please learn it. Don't mind if you say any wrong, no issues, nothing. Even though, well, the getting the first time, I say like that only. MD means anything we can say, nothing happen. But open mouth is a very, very important. If you are not open your mouth, no use of the thing. Sitting ideally, at least you can learn, at least you can speak out means something you are learning the point. You are not opening your mouth, very difficulty in the future days. So please guys, open your mouth. You can speak at least anything, what you know, nothing happening. But learn it. If you don't know anything, speak out. Okay, very, very useful for you in the future days. You are involved the project, you are because you are putting the experience more than 4 to 5 years, because you are the experienced people. Means they will ask any questions on you, you is a real time. What is the called? Did you get the your team lead or manager? Did you get the MD50? Yes, I got it, sir. What is MD50 means? Yes, master document. Yes, most of thing. Did you design the yes MD70? Take help of any seniors, other people, but this is a common practice everywhere, every company. But you should aware of the MD50, MD70. Okay. After designing document, yes, here, yes, data, yes. What is the column? First of all, which modules you know that while the joining time, your team lead, you will ask well, the joining time, your team lead or managers. Okay, they conducted on the meeting, schedule meeting. Yes, okay. Hi, Jitendra. What modules you do know? How much is the strong of the SCM part of the thing? How many reports you did last 3 years or 4 years? How many project you did implementation and support? How many reports per month you did? Tell me the Jitendra. How many reports you did last 6 months? Jitendra.
Yes, sir.
How many reports you did last 6 months? After joining the company, the manager will ask you how many reports from SCM part of how many reports you did, including support and implementation project. How many reports? What is the duration? What is the difficulties? What is the you are facing issues? Tell me. Speak out, guys. At least okay, no issues. I'll explain. Don't worry, Jitendra.
XML publisher reports
Oh my
and
God. Madam, I'm asking to you report name, not a
Report
tool,
name.
not a tools. XML publisher, BA publisher, this is a
Yes,
tools.
sir. Yes,
Look
sir.
at here. This is a BA publisher, XML publisher. While the developing purpose, layout purpose, we are doing the thing. Report name, like this is a report. Okay? This
Okay,
is
sir. Sorry, sir.
no problem. Learn it. Don't say sorry. If you don't know
Okay,
anything,
sir.
you are learning the point. Learning time is a well doing the mistake only you can learn it. Okay? Don't say sorry. It is a learning point. No issues. Nobody even knows. You're the new to the fusion system. That's why I'm explain to you. Even though small point of the you can ask, don't worry. I'll explain to you. Jitendra, if you don't know anything, don't bother about. I'm with you. You can ask any doubt of the thing. I'll explain to you. Don't worry. Okay? Yes. This is what is a report? Inventory summary report. This is a report. Yes, I did a per month 1 or 2 complex. It will take a complex report. Last 6 months, 5 to 6 report I did the last 6 months. Why? Because I did most of I'm getting the complex report only. Why? Because I'm the little bit in my project. I'm the experienced person, so that I got a complex report. It will take 1 month to maximum 1 month. It will took so that I did last 6 months 5 reports. In out of 5 reports, among the 5 reports, complex. Three is the reports are complex. Two is a medium. One is a
But sir, one question here. Actually, sometimes there is a sprint, na? As per the sprint, you have to know the reports.
yes. The sprint tool. What is a sprint? Agile methodology. We can call it a
Yeah, agile methodology.
yes. Sprint means agile methodology. Do you know what is anybody knows agile? I'll explain to you. I'll come back. Okay. Any this is the card. After that, we can check with the yes. One is a sample level, or you can say 6 report I completed. Here, most of real time that is a agile methodology is there. In do you know HDLC concept? Software development life cycle. Anybody knows?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here, latest model is there. We are using every company agile methodology. Okay, agile methodology means nothing. There is no special of the thing. One tool is there, internal tool is there. They will mention because they will mention the meeting is there every day morning. One they conduct the meeting or weekend. They will conduct the meeting. They will release the one sprint. Sprint means nothing but the issue or bug. If you are in the support project, they will along with your name, they will send the one report that is called a sprint. And modification, you can mention that you are working. It will take the say once you got the sprint, you can say it will take 5 to 6 days to finish this report. So every day need to mention yes progress of the thing. Mention the report. Automatically will goes to the your manager team lead updates. They will we have the update option is there. Yes, you can open the sprint, update the today what you did. Yes, I have developed the 50% of report or 25% of report. These are the issue, but I'm facing this issue. You can mention the every day of the status of the your report until 4 days complete. After that, we are releasing to the unit testing. Who will do unit testing? Your team lead or a manager, anybody can do unit testing. Along with in front of you only, open your code. This is a code. Yes, look like this is a yeah sample code. This is a project. Why you are mentioned that this is a yes. Each and column you can explain to the your manager or your team lead. You have to explain to the each and every column. Why you are what is the purpose of condition? Why you are putting the out? What is this called plus symbol? Plus symbol means
Join left.
auto join. We can call it the auto join. Okay. Why you were mentioned the auto joins here? Tell me. This is a project. It is the why what is the reason for the we are putting the auto join? Means I'll explain that. Here, even though current right now the lookup code is not available in the test environment. Though future will get the Dow instance or production instance. That time will be worked out. If you are not putting the auto joining, data will not display right now test instance, but future will get it. Right now we don't have any data. That's why we are putting the auto joining. This is a lookup code. Anything. Okay. Here also, this category ID we don't have any data. Because of this ID, the data won't display the report not display the any data. That's why we need to use the auto joins. But in future we'll get it data. Right now we don't have any data, but we need rest of columns. Because of this column we don't want right now, but we need it in future purpose. But rest of columns we need to generate the output. That's why we are putting the auto joinings. Why you mention not what is this called? Not equal to external. Why you putting not equal? What is the purpose? You need to explain each and everything to the team lead or your manager. Got my point? So that is once the unit testing completed, we are forwarding the functional team. They will do the functional testing. Okay. If once the functional completed, we are moved to the production. Once again, everything. After that, the client will the test our report. Functional client is testing unit client UAT. We can call UAT. We can call as a user accepting testing. Okay. We can call it UAT. Everything completed. Yes, the report as of now report is completed. So that is the point of. Did you understand the agile methodology? Guys, somebody asked, right? Your good name? Hello? Somebody asked, right? About the agile methodology? Oh, he is not responding anything. Okay. As of now, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. Where we are? Okay. FDD. Okay. This is the functional testing. Production completed. MD50. Now requirement. Yes, we are getting the requirement from the functional team. What to do once the functional team getting the requirement? You will go through the. This is a like. This is the inventory report. Go through the once again thoroughly each and every column, each and every section. Purpose of the report. Yes. Simple. Analysis report based on the inventory arc and item class based on the report. Condition. Any condition. Run the sub inventory item class. This is the inventory arc sub inventory. Condition. We need to mention the condition also. Don't forget each and every precondition. What is the precondition? Run by sub inventory only. Okay. This is a model, SA model, inventory, new report, BA publisher, or what is a sometimes OTBA. They will mention OTBA or BAP. This is called BAP and sometimes OTBA also. So type of report, BAP report, name of the report, inventory. Okay. Here you can observe any grouping is there? No. Any sorting is there? No. You can thoroughly, if you don't know, Please note down the one by one column. If any doubts, okay, you don't know the application front end column. Check with the check with functional team. Yes, this document sign off from the client. RD sign off. We can sign off. You got sign off from the client. Yes, they will mention it. Means everything perfect. Sub inventory parameter is a sub inventory item class. Means condition parameter means we are selecting the sub inventory along with the item class. We need to get the details. That is a condition. Okay. This is the parameter mandatory. Yes. Item code. What is the item code means? Means most of time it related to the, but names are different, but similar names. Item code nothing but item number. Okay. Inventory R code. This is a sub inventory item class, item description, lot number, lot expiry date, sub inventory, available stock. That's all. Locator OEM pending for a put pay, that is a receipt, and open pics, total stock, received date, received receipt number. Okay. Purchase order, transfer order number, supplier name. Receipt means PO receipts. Receipt PO, receipt date, PO, and purchase orders, transfer order number, supplier name. This is a test cases. Okay. Sample test cases attached here. This is the item number, item code. Okay. This is the requirement column out of 18 columns required. Out of 18, if you know few columns, maximum item number, item discussion, lot now. If you don't know anything, please note down all the points in the proper manner in notepad somewhere else, whatever you want, MS Word, Excel, whatever. Okay, requirement document. Mention the proper manner and schedule with the functional team. And mandatory is a functional person. Optional for the manager, team lead. Put the optional purpose the team, because they need to know. See, you are checking with the functional name because you have the doubt. They won't involve the your meetings, but they understand. Okay, this person asking something about the requirement gathering. Okay, once everything good, now onwards we can decide the how many days is this report required. How many days is 18 columns per day? Tell me, anyone? This report, how many days is required for development purpose? Anyone tell me?
1 month maybe.
Oh my God, 1 month won't provide it here. Max 3 days.
3 days.
Mm.
But who will generate this one?
Generate means?
This document who will create?
I told you, function people.
No, who will fill this?
Design FDD. Who will create a functional document?
No, no. No, sir,
Functional.
because it is combination of all function people and technical people, na, both.
No. It's a purely functional people, design from the functional people.
Okay.
Okay. After that, okay, I'll explain to the. This is because who are going to test? Functional people only, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So each and they should know that output. They can prepare the test cases. They only prepare the test cases. We don't know about all the things, logic, all the things. Because why? Because we are getting from the client. We won't speak directly with the client. Mediator is there. Client to technical people. Who is the mediator? Functional team. The client and technical between the functional team is there. Functional team, they ask to the client, what is the logic of each and column. Once they will get it from the client, they will mention all the test cases. You got it? Still, you have any doubt?
No, sir. Yes. I
Yes.
got-
Maximum as a 4 to 5 years person, maximum 3 days to 4 days. 1 day extra. Within 5 days, we need to complete this report. But our company is given to only 3 days. Other companies like Accenture, Infosys, like it will take the 10 to 15 days time, 2 weeks time, develop the report. Means 10 working days, Monday to Friday, 5 days, Monday to Friday, 5 days, 10 days, 2 working days, 2 weeks, 10 days working days. That's all. Max MNC company. So be prepared. While the giving time, you can assume that this is a complex, this is a simple report, or a medium report. This is a medium report. Okay, it will take you can say 7 to 8 working days, sir, to develop unit, 2 days for the unit testing, you can say, and 1 day for the functional testing. You can within the 10 working days, you need to complete the report at any cost. That's the target. So once the target is fixed, you need to develop each and daily. We need to update to our team lead. End of the call or morning call. How many columns you filled? What is the status of the report? Did you facing any issues or not? So you need to inform the status call every day. What is the report status? Yes or no? That is called daily status call, and weekly status call is available. That time manager involved. Okay. Sam, that time once the manager involved, don't speak about the report. They will speak out report. Yes, always status means under the process, under the development. Okay, always say under development. If you ask that anybody team lead in deeply, say this is a report output, almost 50% is completed. 2 more field is pending because of the we are pending with the client. We need to discussion with the functional team. Why? Because logic I didn't understand. I'll check with the functional team. I'll get back to you. Say like that. Okay. This is information. Okay, you can completely real time. So once the everything completed, yes, 5 days, but you can fix your report should be within 5 days. You need to complete 1 day for the unit testing. You can release as early as possible. Okay, don't wait until at the end of moment. If you are not completed a proper day, you will get the escalation on you immediately. Escalation means it is a black mark observation. 1 or 2 times you did the first joining time. Okay, next they will call to the yes. Tell me what is the reason why you are getting delay. What is it? Need to explain each and reason. They won't leave you without reason. You can't say simply kakubal stories. Okay. Say frankly. Please stay with the in company environment. Say anything is a truth. Don't say false statement. Understood? Whatever it is, say truth. If you don't know, please take a other person support immediately. Once they got the requirement, sign up, take the immediately other support, or as a real-time person, take help immediately and finish as early as possible. Understand the requirement, each and every column. But why? Because you need to explain to your team lead or manager. Okay. So each and every column, application side as the logic side. If you don't know about the logic, don't worry. Please take help of your seniors or other colleagues out of person. But should understand the logic, everything. Okay. This is a report. Yes. Once this is look like this is a RTF template. This is a cases batch. We have I'll show you some sample. Okay. So this way you can item code. Item code means item number, product description, issues of the thing. This way, batches by quantity, bags, quantity, process order, hours basis. This is output. Quantity. This is kind of, you need to develop the RTF template, class wise. Once the development completed, it's sent to the QA team or as functional team. Anything as per your company norms, you can send to the thing. It was sent to the team lead or sometimes QA team, sometimes functional team, anybody as per your company norms, you can say to the, but take a all through the mail only. Well, they're sending it through immediately from the first day onwards. You need to communicate through mail only, each and every point. Communicate through mail. Okay. You got my point? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, sir.
Maintain the email address. Okay. This is a way real-time oriented development report development task. Okay. We'll continue on Monday. Next class. Once again, I'll explain the conversions also and PTP VT cycle. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll continue on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.